Welcome to Whiz Kids TV. Today we have a bunch of farm animals to clean. The first one we have is a horse. This one is a male horse. Do you know mature male horses are called stallions? Yeah, this one is black and white. Black and white horses are called piebalds. Let's give him a good wash. He's all clean. Let's put him in the water. Next we have a bull. Do you know bulls have a keen sense of smell? They use their horns for defense. They're very highly intelligent animals and very muscular and strong. Let's clean him. He's all clean. The next animal we have is a goat. Do you know goats are very smart, loving creatures? But they're very picky eaters. They can be taught their name and come when called. Their sneeze also sounds like an alarm. It's very, very loud. Let's wash him. He's all clean now. Let's see what animal we have next. The next animal we have is a sheep. Do you know sheep are very emotional and have excellent sense of smell? They also don't have teeth in their upper jaw. They have rectangular pupils and are very clever animals. They can also self-medicate and are highly social. He's very, very clean now. The next animal we're going to clean is a cow. Do you know cows provide us with milk? They're highly social animals as well. They have great memory and can sleep while standing up. They also have no upper front teeth. Let's wash her. All nice and clean. Let's see what animal we're going to clean next. It's another horse. This is a baby horse. As you can see, they're different color. Do you know horses can also sleep while standing up? They have excellent hearing and have lightning fast reflexes. They also have 360-degree field of vision. Horses are also herbivores. That means they only eat grass. Look how clean he is. The next one is a chicken. Do you know chickens are living descendants of dinosaurs? Wow! Chickens can also have dreams and have complex communication. They also have excellent memories and love to cover themselves in dirt. She's all nice and clean. Let's put her in the water and see what animal we have next. Now we have a donkey. Do you know donkeys can live well into their 50s? They also have a keen sense of curiosity and make very strong social bonds with their friends. Donkeys can also see 4 of their feet at the same time, but they don't like to be in the rain for a long time because their fur is not waterproof. Let's give them a very good wash. Now he's all clean. The next animal is a duck. Do you know ducks love communicating with their siblings before they even hatch? They're also very super social. They love to have friends. They can also live up to 20 years of age. Ducks have better visions than humans do. They also have different accents. Let's wash them. They love the water. Let's see what animal we have next. Wow, we have a pig. Do you know pigs are very clean animals? They also can't sweat. Mother pigs love to sing to their babies. Pigs also love belly rubs and have a very excellent sense of direction and have very excellent memory. Let's wash the pig. He's all clean. Let's put the pig in the water. Let's see what other animal there is. Oh wow, that's it for today guys. We've cleaned all the animals.